what do you do to transform everyone here in like 5 days? Look at everyone. Everyone's like bright and happy and glowing. It's unbelievable. Like, it's like magic.
In the EID meeting, I ask the EIS, I didn't do this piece of work, who did it? And then they'll either point to something that Harini and I did or somebody else in the ecosystem would have done it. So there's so much going on in this ecosystem. So obviously the obvious things are you have a list that you work on, and then an EIS did that for you, they did the diagnostics, and then there's some people who did change work. But there's so much more that goes on. Sometimes Harini and I don't know where did some piece of transformation start. But we're always curious. We start tracking back to who did that. So some of the things that happens is you heard of this term called installations, right? So what Harini and I mean by installations is, let us say in a company there's a junior staff who joins. And you see this junior staff, just not focusing on, the team and doing things together, but just doing her work. And in your heart you feel, if only she knows how much more she can be effective and how much more she can grow if she works as a team. And you try telling her, she doesn't get it, she's still working on her stuff. Even when you give an advice, she takes it, she tries to implement it, but from within, she's still working independently. Fast forward 10 years into the future. Now she's mature, she's a team player, another junior staff comes in, and she's thinking, only if this girl knows. Installations is a way to help that person have that experience or the transformation they would have if they naturally went through that process in 10 years. Without that happening, how could you take that mindset and develop that for that person? That's what I call as installation. And I think one of the most impactful things that goes on and up is we are making a continuous list of what is that mindset shift that this person requires. So there's a difference between capability, there's a difference between overcoming limitations and a mindset shift. Okay, so when you do the alphabet game and the collapse anchor, you are in a better state of mind. Along with experiences, the mindset will automatically shift. But can we not wait 3 years? Can we do that mindset shift today? So one of the things that Harini and I focus on is being strategic about it. Which mindset shift for this person or a person will bring about a significant outcome over a period of time? And that is so different for each person. So I think one of the things that happens is, in addition to Harini and me, there's a whole set of people who are doing that.